Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Woody's Real-Time Fishing, and today I'm going to be fishing George Crady's bridge again. And it's kind of windy today, so we're going to catch some trout, try to catch some sheephead and some croaker, spot, whiting, all that stuff. And also, I was going to go on a Deepsea fishing trip today, but it got canceled due to the high winds out in the ocean. So I just came here since I was coming here anyway. And also, if you have any suggestions that you want to see me, places you want to see me to fish at, just comment below and let me know. And also, I want to thank all my subscribers and YouTube viewers for viewing my channel. Also, I want to do start doing a giveaway of saltwater lures. So there will be a raffle, and I'm going to be picking the names next week. So if you want a chance to win you a lure or something, it's not much, but it's a start. So you must be a subscriber, and right now you must be in the United States, because then later on I'll try to get to other countries, trying to deliver that. So make sure you subscribe and comment below fish on, and you'll be entered into the raffle, and the drawing will be next week. When I post my next video, I'll announce the winner. On that note, we're going to go ahead and fish on and catch us some fish. Thanks for watching. As I said before, it's windy out here. And here goes Bobby, waiting for a fish. There he goes. First one. First fish of the day. Let's see what we got. Drum. Most likely he's not, but we're gonna measure him anyway, just for giggles. Black drum have to be 14 inches, and as you can see, so I'll go ahead and throw him back. And here he goes. See, I can't get a break. Somebody just gave me this northern puffer right here, and of course I know how to clean them and eat them, so he's kind of mad right now. So yep, I don't know how long he can hold his breath, but he's getting ate. Black drum. big he is. He is fun. 9.5. Gotta go back. No, he don't. 9 inches. We got a crab. Steal my bait. Haven't had crab in a long time. Got my jacket. See, he's kind of pissed off. So I'll put him in the cooler. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today wasn't very successful. Only caught like 4 fish, so I'm about to pack it up and call it a day. Until next time, don't forget about the raffle next week. You must be a subscriber, and you must write, comment, fish on in the below. Talk to you later. Well, as y'all see, I still got daylight to spare, so on my way home I stopped here and I got put all my fishing poles in the back of my truck and threw mine in the water. I got one bite on that last one already. I think something on it, but stay tuned. So let's see what we can do. Alright, I think the thing is about to attack me, so there's a witness. I don't know what it's about to do, but it started coming towards me. Go away. Okay, I can't get in my car. I don't know if it's gonna attack me or what, but it's blocking me from my fishing pole. Shit. Go the hell away. God dang. Shoot. Go. Get. Alright. So, yeah. Bluefish. Huh? God dang, what is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, bluefish. Okay.